Welcome to GRTips, a series of informational videos by GR Technology. Our video today will focus on websites with WordPress. Whether you're a small business owner or a commercial enterprise, WordPress is designed to help you create a stunning website without any coding skills. WordPress is one of the manufacturing industry's go-to solutions. It's also the world's most popular platform, powering over 40% of all websites on the internet. With WordPress, you don't need to be a tech expert. The intuitive dashboard gives you all the tools you need to manage your site effortlessly. From creating content to customizing your design, WordPress is user-friendly, easy to navigate. WordPress offers thousands of themes and plugins, giving you total flexibility to customize every detail, no matter how you're planning to scale your business. WordPress helps your website rank better in search engines. It's optimized for SEO right out of the box, and with the help of those plugins, you can take your search visibility to the next level, as your site will always perform at its best. The GR Tech team makes it easy to integrate your WordPress site into your CRM, ERP, or other great applications. Contact forms or user signups on WordPress can directly populate into your system, ensuring leads are captured while duplicate data entries and errors are avoided. WordPress also features dashboards and analytics, so you can monitor your site's performance. WordPress is trusted by millions of users around the world, and it's the perfect platform to bring your ideas online. So if you're looking to build a professional website quickly, optimize your website, or even start connecting your online presence with your business, our GR Tech team is here to help. Contact us today for your free consultation.